Let's learn and grow together. Let's learn to live fully.
We all want to manifest all our dreams and goals. But in reality, sometimes we succeed in manifesting and sometimes we fail. Many of you might have heard about law of attraction. But manifesting is different from law of attraction. In this video, I will share a simple manifesting technique that works every time and is based on science. So, here is a 5-phase manifesting technique. I call it the Serga Method of Manifestation.
Let's learn to live fully and excel at life. Please subscribe us. Do check out our website for courses and ebooks that will help you to be the best version of yourself.
So, let's begin to understand it. Phase 1. Specific. Be super specific about what you want. When you are focused on a specific thing, this triggers the RAS, reticular activating system in your brain. RAS is your brain's spam filter. When you have a goal, we need to avoid all sort of distractions that will move you away from your goals. Right? That is exactly what RAS does for you. It will filter opportunities that could help you achieve your goals. Phase 2. Excited. Get super excited about your goal or choose a goal that will keep you excited. This activates the amygdala. Your amygdala is actually your mental highlighter. Why do you use a highlighter? To indicate something that is important for you. Amygdala, your mental highlighter, tells your brain, see, this goal is important, and keeps you super motivated. Phase 3. Release. Release your mental and emotional blockages. You can find them out by observing your negative thoughts regarding your goals. There are several releasing techniques to remove the mental blocks that prevent you from manifesting your desired results. You can use any of them. Phase 4. Gratitude. Wherever you are right now in your life, even if you are in a miserable situation, be grateful. There will be many things in your life for which you can be grateful. So, think about them and feel the gratitude. Gratitude restores your happiness and well-being levels. It ignites your hypothalamus and puts you in the right mindset to manifest. Phase 5. Action. Now, you are excited about your specific goals. You have released any mental and emotional blocks that you are aware of. You are grateful, and you are in the right mindset to manifest. Finally, what is remaining? Yes, taking action. Your goal could be climbing the Everest. But you need to start with one small step, right? So, take the next small step. When you take an action towards your goal, you are reinforcing neural pathways for your goal that will help you to manifest quicker. Do try this Serga method of manifestation and manifest your goals flawlessly. Happy manifestation.
Let's learn and grow together.